Hello students, today we will start with new chapter perimeter and area, chapter 13. Okay, first, what is perimeter? Perimeter is the length of boundary of any closed figure. Okay, any closed figure. Suppose this is a closed figure and this is the boundary of this figure. So the total length of this boundary is called the perimeter of the figure. Okay, or we can say that the sum of length of all sides of a closed figure is called its perimeter. Sum of the lengths of all sides, that will include all the boundary lengths. Okay, now exercise 13.1, find the perimeter of these shapes from the measurements given. This is a closed figure and there are four sides and we have to find the perimeter of this shape. So we have to add all the length of all sides. 2 plus 2 plus 5 plus 5 is equals to 14 centimeter. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, we have to add all the sides. Same here, 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4, and same in question number 3rd. Okay, now find of some specific perimeter of some specific figures. Perimeter of triangle. To find the perimeter of triangle, we have to add the three sides of the perimeter, sum of all sides. Okay, for perimeter of rectangle, if we add the all sides of perimeter, we get the answer. Okay, if the rectangle is ABCD and sides are 10, 6, 10, 6, then we will add 10 plus 6 plus 10 plus 6 is equals to 32 centimeter. But in rectangle, two sides are same and opposite sides are same, 10, 10, 6 and 6. So if we add the two adjacent sides 10 and 6 and then multiply them by 2, then also we can get the perimeter. Okay, so the formula for perimeter of rectangle is 2 into sum of adjacent sides, or length plus breadth. Okay, same in perimeter of square, sum of all sides, and all sides are same, so we will multiply the one side by 4 because all sides are equal. Then also we can get the perimeter, 4 into side. Okay, we have to remember these two formulas. Perimeter of square is equals to 4 into side, and perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2 into length plus breadth, sum of adjacent sides. Now exercise 13.2, measure the sides and find the perimeter of the figures given below. We have to measure the sides by scale, okay, in centimeter, and then write each side of the figure. Okay, you have to do this with yourself. Okay, now find the perimeters. Each small square is of 1 centimeter. Now we have to find the perimeter of this colored shape. Okay, now each side is equals to 1 centimeter. Then start from here. Okay, now I am going to start from here. This one include 1 centimeter, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There are 15 sides, such small sides in this figure. So one side is equals to 1 centimeter, so 15 sides is equals to 15 centimeter. So the perimeter of this figure is 15 centimeter. You have to do this with yourself in notebook. Okay, now this one, now start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am going to start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, how many sides? 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 sides and one side is equals to 1 centimeter, so perimeter is 12 centimeter. Okay, same in third. Now 13.2 part C, find the perimeters of the triangle whose sides are. Okay, we have to find the perimeter of triangle and sides are given 10 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 14 centimeter. So perimeter of triangle is sum of all sides. So we will add all the sides and we get the perimeter. Okay, same in question number fifth part. Now D, find the perimeters of rectangle whose length and breadth are as follows. Length is given, breadth is also given, we have to find the perimeter. So we will use the formula 2 into length plus breadth or sum of adjacent sides. Length and breadth are adjacent sides, so we can also write L plus B. 2 into bracket L plus B. Now length is 4 and breadth is 3. We will put 4 in place of length and 3 in place of breadth. 4 plus 3. First we have to solve the bracket according to BODMAS. 4 plus 3 is equals to 7. Now 7 into 2 is equals to 14. Okay. And in E part we have to find the perimeter of square and side is given 20 meter. Third part, perimeter of square is equals to 4 into side and side is 20. So 4 into 20 is equals to 80 meters. So we have to write all meter. Okay, we have to use the same unit. Meter is given inside, so we have to write the meter in perimeter. Okay, now you have to do the all questions of this exercise. Okay, part A, B, C, D, E and all parts. Okay, thank you.